Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. Look at the US markets, very volatile. Dow ended almost flat, whereas S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 moved higher. So yesterday evening itself, I mentioned US futures were down for third day. In a normal market, the third day low should get bought into, and third day high will be sold into. So that's a normal market. So as expected, so yesterday's low was bought into, and particularly Nasdaq 100 is more bullish, so therefore it shot up. And Nasdaq 100 has wiped out almost the entire loss it made the day before. So because of this, SGX Nifty, it was trading around 40-50 point higher yesterday night. But however, today morning, Asian markets open and all Asian markets are down. Particularly, do not know why the Australian markets are falling. Australian markets have been falling continuously for the last few days, and even Japanese markets also. And therefore, SGX Nifty started falling once again. And now SGX Nifty has fallen about 50 points from yesterday's night closing price. So therefore, right now SGX Nifty indicating about 15-20 point lower opening for Indian markets. And Japan's inflation data has come, so that came better than expected, but still this is above Bank of Japan's target. Even in US, the government or the Fed comfort level is 2%, whereas it went up to 9% last year, but from 9% it has come down to 4%, but still it is higher than Fed level of 2%. So that is why the Fed chairman has commented, and that comment has triggered a mini correction in US markets. Now, Nifty is heading towards all-time high, so it is natural that it will be met with selling pressure. If you look at the internals of the market, March end it has formed a bottom around 16,800, and which happened to be a double bottom which was made in last year September. So after making the double bottom, markets recovered and shot up close to the all-time high which was made in last December. So that's one thing. Second thing, that market exhibiting the same trend as last 2 months. The last 2 months, what has happened? The first trading session, Nifty shot up. Then after that, the entire month, Nifty traded with a positive bias. It did not break that first trading session's level. It was trading with huge volatility. So the same trend is happening for the third consecutive month. So this month, the first trading session, Nifty shot up and closed around 18,500. And after that, Nifty has been trading between 18,500 and 19,000 with huge volatility and with a positive bias. We are still about 250, 300 point higher than the first trading session of this month. So in all likelihood, the same thing is likely to continue because we have only 4 more trading sessions for this month. Because as I told you already, usually an uptrend or downtrend lasts about 10 to 12 weeks. So now we are entering into the 13th week of this uptrend. So that brings a lot of jitterness along with the global cues. But I still feel that at some point of time we will take out all-time high. Yesterday also all-time high just 2-3 points away from all-time high. So all-time high is just a number. So it doesn't matter. So we have already, like mid-cap has already hit the all-time high. Bank Nifty has already hit. Now, if you look at the stock specific, day before yesterday, HDFC Bank and HDFC turned positive. Some positive momentum was there, That continued yesterday also. Yesterday, after a long time, ICICI Bank has turned positive. So the positive momentum is being built in ICICI Bank. And Kotak Bank anyway has to be volatile. That's because of their MSA rejig. So now HDFC Bank, HDFC, ICICI Bank all turning around. But PSU banks are weak and Axis Bank also weak. So the next in line, State Bank and Axis Bank will have to turn around. So if that happens, so the banking stocks will be bullish. And IT stocks anyway, it's one day up, one day down. And IT stocks, may have to wait for another 2 weeks when the next quarter result comes. So that may take a trend. So until then, IT stocks are not likely to go anywhere. Yesterday it was down because Nasdaq was down previous day, and today it may be up because Nasdaq was up yesterday night. So anyway, there is no 1:1 correlation, but generally Nasdaq is considered to be technology heavy index. So therefore, no technology stocks react to Nasdaq. And Reliance came under some slight selling pressure, but that's just a profit booking in an uptrend. And as long as Reliance is holding 2500, nothing to worry. So therefore, markets are likely to uh, hold firm, and this is just a normal profit booking. So looking at the open interest, so as I've been saying for the last 1 month, 4 weeks completed, and today fifth week is starting. So it is still of the view that Nifty will be trading between 18,500 and 19,000. So earlier I used to tell weekly range is 18,500 to 19,000, monthly range is 18,000 to 19,000, but now we are entering into the fifth week. So the weekly or monthly both are same. So therefore I'm just saying that Nifty is likely to trade between 18,500 and 19,000. So yesterday FIs have become net sellers. So that is one of the reasons why SGX Nifty is a little bit cautious. But who knows? Usually, if Thursday is a very, very volatile session and down session, and Friday, definitely there will be some recovery. And what is more important, many times the Friday last 1 hour of trade has thrown a lot of surprises. And the reason is that people, especially traders, will not like to carry positions over the weekend. Moreover, this is the last Friday of this series, and people holding stock options, so they will not like to carry positions because of gamma effect next week. So that may throw some interesting things. So there is every possibility that Nifty may hit all-time high by today afternoon. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.